How to make Moroccan Lamb Tagine. You will need the following ingredients. You can easily print this page if you go to my YouTube channel or visit my Facebook page. Start marinating the meat the night before. Combine the orange juice and oil in a large bowl. Crush the garlic, chop roughly and add to the bowl. Add ginger. Add coriander and cinnamon. Mix all well together. Turn the chunks of lamb in the marinade. Cover the bowl with cling film and leave to marinate in the fridge overnight. Soak saffron in hot water, cover and set aside. Prepare the chicken stock. Remove the lamb from the marinade. Get all your ingredients ready before preheating the oven. Turn on your oven as in the description. Check whether the pan is hot enough for frying. Once the pan is ready, add the lamb and start browning the meat. Sear and caramelize on both sides. Once ready, lift the lamb and place into the tagine or casserole dish. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Lower the heat slightly, add the onions and cook gently. Once the onions are ready, add them to the casserole dish. Now add the rinsed lentils, sprinkle with salt and pepper again. Add chopped apricots. Add the soaked saffron. Dissolve the chicken stock cube and add to the tagine dish. Add tomatoes. Add reserved marinade. Cover and cook for 2.5 hours in a preheated oven. Delicious! And here is our Moroccan Lamb Tagine. Can be served with couscous, rice or rustic bread.